In this session, we will be talking about fractals, what it is, and its characteristics. A fractal is a complex geometric shape that can be split into parts, each of which is a reduced scale copy of the whole. Fractals are known for their intricate patterns and structures, which appear similar at various scales. They are not just theoretical constructs, but are also found in nature, with examples including snowflakes, coastlines, mountain ranges, and even patterns of galaxies. Now let's move on to the characteristics of fractals. First of which we have infinite intricacy. So this is an example. Now let us move on to the characteristics of fractals, with the first of which being the infinite intricacy. An example of this characteristic is the cautious snowflake. As the name suggests, it is a pattern that has repeating patterns that make up its edges just like a snowflake. So the cautious snowflake is an example of a fractal that has the capability to snowball into a form with infinite edges. How you form it is by taking a triangle, then adding smaller triangles on each end, then repeating the pattern for each side of the triangles, eventually forming what looks like a snowflake. This is just as if each triangle is branching out of each other, creating an endless loop of triangles sprouting off other triangles. For the next characteristic, we have zoom symmetry. As a result of infinite intricacies, this characteristic is defined by the shape's ability to show its shape as it keeps zooming in. This can be seen in every fractal, and a good example of this would be the Mandelbrot set, where the edges, if zoomed in, will show a replica of the whole shape. Finally, we have complexity from simplicity. Another characteristic of a fractal is their form is typically composed of simple shapes that come together to form a very complex shape. An example of this is Sierpinski's triangle, a shape that is based on a triangle that is stacked onto one another. How it is made is by placing a triangle on each corner of the triangle, then adding the same three triangles onto the corners of the original set of triangles.